Hi everyone, it's Damien from Your Spreadsheets. Today we're going to look at how to purchase a spreadsheet license at yourspreadsheets.co.uk. First, go to the Spreadsheets tab and select the spreadsheet you want to purchase. Let's use the attenuation tank design spreadsheet as an example. At the bottom of the web page there's a download section. Before purchase, try the free light version to make sure the spreadsheet meets your requirements. Okay. So there are two types of licenses. First one is a single user license. It's the best option if you want to use the spreadsheet on one computer only. This is for both private and company use. The spreadsheet will be locked to one computer and will not run on other computers unless you purchase additional single user licenses. The second option is the company license, which is more flexible and allows you to use the spreadsheet on unlimited number of computers at one office or site. If you are unsure which license is right for you, then click this link to see a detailed comparison. Back to the Spreadsheets webpage. Let's purchase the single user license. You do this by clicking Add to Cart button. A shopping cart will open in a new tab. If you want to add more spreadsheets to your cart, then click Continue Shopping or go to the previous tab in your web browser. The easiest way to purchase multiple spreadsheets is to go to the Checkout webpage. Here, you have all the available spreadsheets listed in alphabetical order. You can also change the currency by clicking the currency symbol at the top. To save money when purchasing multiple spreadsheets, use the special offer buttons at the top of the list when available. Now, let's go back to our shopping cart by clicking the View Cart button. Here you have two options on how to make the payment. You can pay with your PayPal account or with a debit or credit card. Let's click the Checkout button to pay with a debit card. Next, fill in your card details and your current email address. Your Spreadsheets website uses SSL security protocol and transactions are handled by PayPal, so you can rest assured that the process is safe and secure. After purchase, you will see a confirmation message. Wait a few moments and you will be redirected to a download webpage. Don't worry if you aren't or you close your web browser too soon. You will also receive two emails, one from PayPal with your receipt and another from your Spreadsheets with a web link to this webpage. If you don't, then check your spam folder. If you purchase the single user license, then follow instructions on the left hand side. In essence, download this spreadsheet and obtain your computer's identification number. Then submit the activation key request form and within 1 day you will receive an email with your activation key and a web link to download your purchased spreadsheet or spreadsheets. Then just activate it. There is a second how-to video that I recommend watching if you need help with the activation process. If you purchase the company license, then follow instructions on the right hand side. In essence, download the spreadsheet and update the header with your company name, address and logo. Then send it to this email address and within 1 day you will receive your purchased spreadsheet. That's it. Thanks for watching.